In this demo, we are going to see how Python is able to recognize the speech and convert into text and subsequently to the command. Here, the microphone is connected to Raspberry Pi through a webcam, which is a regular webcam, and now the program is running. I'm going to click on speak and then give the command, the color. The command which I'm going to give is turn the color name, that is turn red or turn green or turn yellow or turn white, and to switch it off it is turn off. Let me start. Turn red, turn green. Now I have to first click on speak. Turn green, click speak again. Turn yellow, click again. Turn white, turn off. Okay. Just to show the demo of when it has to start capturing, I had given this additional click button, that is speak button. It is possible to bypass that so that continuously it will be in the listening mode, and whenever you say turn red, so then turn is the keyword, then it will change the color accordingly. So this is a demo of how speech to text can be used to control the devices, and this field is called Internet of Things. Thank you.